We are here in the part of the alien space where aliens grow. So actually, I thought about this idea from this cupcake plastic pocket. We find it near a baking shop. So I thought about to make two communities here: random communities and capitalism, rich people community. And this is like a security guard tower, and probably this will be an alien spaceship or or a human spaceship. I don't know. Like a monster comes to visit here to destroy everything.
This Corona.
Yeah. A monster is coming, and everyone shaking here. Everyone shaking, and security give a sign. It gave a sign to all these aliens to run away.
Can I hold on to the rhythm? I miss the cats, I miss the naps, I miss the sunlight on your face. I miss sharing pictures and hearing what you think of them. See the world through your eyes, see myself. Every moment we got three choices. Connect to yourself, take care of yourself, express yourself,